All right, you guys, so this is the trunk of my 2022 Subaru Outback Wilderness, and I have here a portable air mattress from Coverado. For today's video, I wanted to show you guys how to set it up, get it pumped up and all that stuff, and tell you my thoughts on this thing. Just for full disclosure, I already opened this up, I already set it up, made sure it fits. I wanted to make sure that I knew how to use it before making this video, so that's why it's kind of in this wrinkly state right now. Let's go ahead and get started. It should be a pretty quick video. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is drop the seats. As you guys can see, the Outback has a lot of trunk room right here in the back. Just to give you guys an idea of the space back here. So from that seat to about the edge of where the tailgate is right here, about 75 inches. Let's do 74 to be on the safe side. So there's lots of space there, and we're gonna be filling it up with this air mattress. So let's go ahead and open it up, show you guys what's inside. Set this aside. All right, so in the box you have the air mattress itself. This thing measures in at 63 inches in length, 41 inches in width on this side right here without the arms that go that way. The wider side measures in at 56 inches. And then as far as thickness goes, I believe it is 5 inches thick. I do want to mention that this is a soft top and the bottom is a pretty thick material, which is good because you'd want it to support at least 2 people if you ever plan on traveling or camping using this. So moving on, we have a portable pillow which you stick on that side or whatever side you want to sleep on. And then in this bag right here we have these attachments that you can use for the pump, and I'll show you how to do that as well. Charging cable for the pump and some patches. Yes, this is thick material, but you just never know if you accidentally stab it with your keys or something like that. You'd want to have these things on hand. So that said, I am gonna go over the pump itself, and yes, it is portable like I mentioned, so no need to worry about buying another separate pump for this. So as far as the pump goes, it's conveniently located right here, and in order to use it, simply open this door. I'll show you the buttons up close. There's a handle here where you can pull it out just like so. And then you have your inflate button, your off button, and then your deflate button right here. And then on the back of it, there's a built-in light, which you can hang up just like that. Pretty cool stuff. So according to Coverado, if this is fully charged, it can inflate and deflate the mattress around 4 to 5 times. So you always want to keep this fully charged, especially if you're going to be gone for a few days. But it's really convenient. All you do is take the charging cable, plug it in right there to any standard cube, and you should be good to go. So without further ado, I'll show you guys the process of inflating this thing. All right, so first things first, you take your pump, plug it in there, it should click. And then you want to press the inflate button right here. And just a few seconds in, and it's already rising up. So I'll probably speed through this part right here, but it's not going to take long to inflate this mattress at all. All right, it's been about a minute. Once you're happy with the firmness of it, go ahead and hit the off button right here. And then once you're done pumping it up, go ahead and just close the door Or like I said earlier, take it out if you need it as a light. Once you take this thing out, it's not gonna lose any air. Over here, I think there's a shut-off valve in there somewhere. But yeah, look at that, it's super convenient. Takes less than, I don't even know how long, less than 5 minutes to get it to this state right here. And then as far as the pillow, you simply take the pump, take one of these attachments, plug it in to here like so, and then there's this little tab on top that you want to unplug. So you take the attachment, stick it in there, and go ahead and hit inflate, and it should pump it. And then once you're happy with the firmness, go ahead and just set it aside anywhere you'd want to sleep. I just wanted to show you guys the fitment. So there's plenty of room left over on the back. And you guys can see pretty much fills in the width of the entire car. And then you could even slide it up some more so that you have some more leg room back here. For being a universal kit, I think it fits pretty well. It doesn't impede with the door functionality or anything like that. And so that's what that looks like. And there's plenty of room in the back right here so that the trunk should have no issues closing. So I'm actually gonna put all my weight onto this and then jump inside as if I were gonna go camping. And the windows are open, that's why it's kind of bright in here. So I'm gonna go close the trunk. And then you got yourself a nice little cabin here. Before I forget, we have the light. This thing is bright. Let's see, maybe I can hang it up right here maybe? Yeah, there we go. Looks like it works there. So yeah, pretty freaking cool if you ask me. So like I said, there's still plenty of room in this area right here for anything that you don't want to store up top whenever you're camping. And then if you move the seats up a little bit, it's actually easy to access all the stuff down there as well. So you can store a lot of stuff in the footwell right here where the back seats are. And I can't stress how cool this pump and light is. Super convenient. Only thing is, like I said, do not forget to charge it. Okay, so to better demonstrate this, because obviously you guys couldn't see me jump in there, got my wife right here. She doesn't really want to be seen, so she's got that beanie. Told her to jump in there with our guinea pig. Here, take Gracie. So there we go. I'm jumping on here as well. There we go. Look, I'm on here completely. And it feels nice. Got plenty of room. I think she likes it too. All right, so back on the tripod. Let's say you're done using this thing. All you have to do, same steps, plug this in, and then press that deflate button right there. And there we go. So now once you're done deflating it using the pump, you can simply fold it and then put it away. Or honestly, you can just leave it here if you plan on using it again, but just wanted to show you guys how easy to use this entire thing is. Oh, and I did forget to mention, if you don't want to use the pump to deflate, then there's also this thing right here where you can just unplug it. So pretty well thought out product, and I'm super happy with it. And once you're done, simply just throw everything back in the bag. There we go. As far as this video goes, I'm gonna go ahead and close it out. Again, this is the Coverado portable air mattress with a built-in pump. Super easy to use, as you guys just saw. This product will be linked in the description so you guys can check it out for yourselves. Again, thank you to Coverado for sending me this product. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. And as always, I'll catch you in the next one.